Hello, this is Lauren Waters with MHL. We are here at the ProMat 2015 event. Right now I am standing along with Mike Ludka from Orbis Corporation. Mike, why don't you give us a brief introduction?
Thank you. Orbis Corporation is the market leader in reusable packaging in North America. We are plastic manufacturing focusing on material handling solutions, and our goal is to help our customers move their product better throughout their supply chain.
Great. And then right now we're just going to go over a few products that are displayed in the booth. So why don't you go ahead and walk us through these?
Yeah, absolutely. So really our main intent is looking at what we call our small format distribution, and looking at retailers who are 50,000 square feet or less, so they don't necessarily have the real estate or the space like a traditional supercenter would, which is creating some extra burdens within their supply chain, how they get product, finished goods from their distribution center into the retail store. So that's what we're trying to help with, and we've come up with our spectrum of solutions to meet those issues in those marketplaces. So what we have here today is really two products. One is a 42 by 30 inch small format pallet. It's a high pressure injection molded. We actually released that product to the marketplace about a year ago. Been seeing some great success with it. And really the intent is to package product in a bulk manner at the distribution center. And then use that same platform, a pallet, for delivery. So what's happening today in a lot of cases is retailers, upon the delivery, they're doing a lot of extra handling of the cases or the totes, double handling, triple handling in some cases, because they don't have trailer docks within their stores in most cases. So what's happening is, if product is being picked on a pallet in their distribution center environment, that delivery driver has to offload the cases from the pallet onto some secondary cart to enable them to get through the door. So we've gone in and we've condensed the footprint on some of those pallets and platforms to allow that packaging vehicle to be used both in the warehouse for picking, but also then on the final leg of delivery. So the footprints are all 36 inches wide or less, which allows you to get through a standard entrance or exit door, which I can demonstrate for you here in a second.
Great, that would be great. So are we going to go through this walkway right over here, Mike? Okay.
So really what this is it's just symbolic of any entry or exit door, so 36 inches wide. We have two products here, one which utilizes a form of material handling equipment, so we have a pallet jack here provided by Raymond, and the other one is our Pally product, which does not require any material handling equipment itself. So very generally, if I'm a delivery driver, I take this off the trailer, I'd have to use some form of lift gate if there wasn't a trailer dock. Upon delivery, I'd go through the entrance or the back door. So now I'm in the back room of the store, and at that point, there's an option for the store associates on whether or not they want to drop the pallet here and stock the shelves later, or if they want to take the full pallet onto to the point of sale and actually stock the shelves off of the pallet itself. Get this out of the way here. So the other two products that we can offer, similar to this, but with mobility in it, so you don't have to use the equipment. In a lot of cases, again, space is a premium, whether you're in the trailer or in the back room of a store. So not in every case is there enough real estate to actually house that equipment. So we've developed some other inherent mobile products which do not require that equipment, one of which is just a very standard dolly. So it can be on 4 casters. We can design this specific to Orbis's totes that we also manufacture, specific to this marketplace. Or we can make it so it can handle case loads as well. Same concept. Upon delivery, you bring it down, goes through the door, right? In this area, you have maneuverability on the caster, so you can go through the point of sale and actually stock the shelves in that environment as well. So a little bit more simplistic. And then the third option we have for you is actually right behind you. This is what we call the Pally, which is an integrated pallet and dolly all in one. So there's actually a mechanical device within there that's activated by a foot pedal, with a foot compression. So you have, when the casters are up, you have a static pallet so that it can be used for picking, but then also for safe transport in the trailer. And then when the casters are down, you have inherent mobility. So instant mobility that you can get the platform off of the truck into the back room of the retail and then ultimately onto the point of sale. So it comes with a few accessories. So there's a handle, there's a lid as well. But I'll show you really quickly here how the casters are activated and how that will provide flexibility for retailers for their distribution leg. Right. So right here's the foot pedal. So just a compression with the foot. Now we have mobility. If I would do another full compression, now it's static, so it's not moving. So one more time. Now we're mobile. So here I'm ready to deliver. Go through the door again. And now we're in back room, now we're in retail. So easy as that.
Well, thank you for all the product demonstrations. I may have to purchase one of these for my home or the next time that I'm moving. Thank you for your time today. This is Lauren Waters at ProMat.